Hello friends, I say welcome now back to the channel. Today we'll discuss some little things. We'll continue our discussion on excretion. Now, as we don't talk before, excretion now one of the process, well, now the major process where many organisms they use remove all the waste product where they for their body. Anything will be waste we don't generate over all the different activities where they run, they go fit, pass out all this waste from their body. Now this one they very important because any organism will no fit pass out this waste, that organism no go fit sustain its life, and over a period of time the organism go shut down. Now we don't discuss different structures where many organisms they use for their excretion. Now for today we'll just discuss two major structures, and the structures now malpighian tubules and the kidneys where they for inside human beings and other higher animals. Now the malpighian tubules now just structures where many organisms they use, like our insects, our myriapodas, arachnida, like our spiders and many other organisms like that. They use the malpighian tubules for their excretion. So any material, as they do all their body processes, waste we don't gather from all these different body processes go they removed from the body of this organism using the malpighian tubules. Many a times these malpighian tubules they attached to the alimentary canal of that organism. So these tubules go they attach to the alimentary canal as the organism they feed, as they digest all the food where they feed. When you want push out all these things, all these waste materials, the malpighian tubules go help the organism to push out all these waste products from the organism, and that way the organism continues to run and it go dey okay. They run all his life processes quite easily. Now the second one we want to discuss now the kidneys. Human beings and many higher animals have a set of kidneys. That's two where they function. Now their location are like a little bit below the rib cage. Now there they located, and now there they run all the work where they do. Now the kidneys waiting be the work where they do. Most of the major work where kidney they do now to filter the blood. Blood they run through the body of organisms, from head to toe all the time, and all this blood, different reactions they take place, different procedures they take place within the body where they generate a lot of waste, and this waste they inside the blood. Now the body don't get mechanism where they use filter the blood periodically. Every 5 minutes the body they filter all the blood where they run through the body, and now as they filter this blood they generate urine out of this blood, and the urine contain waste products where many of the body cells don't generate this waste product, and this waste product has to be pushed out of the body. So the kidney go they filter the blood to generate this waste, and this waste will come out of the body in the form of urine. So this one is important to note. Now as the kidney they do all this work, we get two tubes where they attach to the kidney where they call the ureters. These ureters, now from there the urine where the kidney don't form go flow through the ureters to the bladder. Now the bladder now an organ where they on its own, it be like a balloon, and now there all the urine they gather put. So not be say as the kidney they produce the urine go they come out immediately. No, the urine go they gather for inside the bladder, they settle for the bladder, and the bladder gets its own muscles, sphincters where they close, so that as the urine they come, not be say the urine go they come out of our body immediately. No, the urine go settle, gather for that for the bladder for a period of time. Now if you don't reach the time where we say the bladder don't dey very full, we'll say the bladder they distended. At that period we will notice say okay, the person will come to feel the urge to ease himself. At that time it means say the bladder don't dey very full, the capacity of the bladder don't full, the bladder don't feel hold that urine again. Now if you don't reach that time, we get another short tube where they call urethra. The first one na ureter, the second one na urethra. Now through the urethra will be a shorter tube. The person go fit pass out that urine we don't gather for inside the bladder. So this is the way through which the body they use the kidney for its own excretion. So they very, very important to note. So thank you for listening to this. Have a wonderful day. Remember to like our content, share our content, and we'll continue to do more. Have a wonderful day.